how to buy and sell stocks for beginners. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell stocks for beginners. So you can use either one of the cryptocurrency app that is available. Now it could be Binance, it could be Trust Wallet, it could be Coinbase Wallet, whatsoever. Either way, the procedures gonna remain the same, only there will be some slight changes with the app interface, but the procedure is similar. So what you need to do is, when you're buying and selling stocks on your crypto app, first of all you'll need to make sure that you have enough funds, and out of all, you'll need to make sure that your account is verified. And along with the verification, it indicates that you will be able to trade on. Likewise, if you're using a Binance application, as you can see, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now right on this page, in order to trade, such as maybe buy or sell stocks, all you need to do is just go ahead and look for the option that indicates buy or sell. So if you tap the trade icon located right at the bottom, you can see there's the option as buy. Just go ahead and tap on it, select the crypto that you wish to buy, enter in the exact amount. Also make sure that you have already added a payment source. Since you're buying, you'll have to pay certain amount, only then you'll be getting a coins as a return. And similarly, if you want to sell it, then click the sell button located right on top, enter in the exact coin that you wish to sell. Also make sure to select the currency type, and then you can begin with the procedure. So that's how you can buy and sell stocks for beginners. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.